Gerd 700D walk-behind double drum diesel roller, your go-to compaction tool for small construction jobs. Double drum vibration for superior compaction performance, ideal for all foundation work. Powered by a diesel engine with electric start, delivering strong, reliable power. Bidirectional hydraulic drive with forward or reverse gears for smooth, precise control. Compact turning radius and strong climbing ability, perfect for tight spaces and slopes. Built-in crash protection and emergency stop for safety. Large capacity water and fuel tanks, cut down refills for uninterrupted operation. Ideal for asphalt surface compaction, gravel or sand foundation tamping, and all construction projects.